Welcome to day 7 of my 33-day life reset series. As I'm returning to my wooden craft, let's craft some pens and then visit Lauriston Castle. So today I'm making wooden pens from yellow meranti, old sakura, 2 acacias and teak. Acacia burl, look at that. Yellow meranti. It looks like oak but in yellow. And the second acacia. And another Japanese sakura. And this one is teak. Very brownish color. Still need some sanding. Lauriston Castle, perched in the shores of Firth of Forth, is an Edwardian time capsule that dates back to the 16th century with its original tower house. The castle was transformed into the elegant mansion we see today by wealthy cabinet maker William Reed and his wife, who fill it with exquisite furniture, art, and decorative objects from their world travels. Lauriston stands frozen in time as a perfectly preserved snapshot of upper-class Edwardian life, complete with its original furnishing, blue John ornaments, and even a wool mosaic made entirely from different colored sheep's wool. Japanese Kyoto Friendship Garden. The Japanese garden at Lauriston Castle was created in 2002 to celebrate the friendship between Edinburgh and its sister city Kyoto in Japan. Designed by renowned Japanese landscape architect Takahiro Naka, the garden authentically represents traditional Japanese design principles. Every element in the garden carries symbolic meaning, from the placement of stones representing islands to the flowing water symbolizing the journey of life. That's a lovely place, don't you think so? If you have any ideas where I should take you next, let me know, please. I'm gladly do so. I need my daily side quests. I really hope you enjoy watching today's video. It's a day 7 and it's not easy. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, share it with friends or check links in the description.